All right, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It's Wednesday. It's already turning out to be an incredible day here, and it's going to be even more interesting as we move forward in so many ways. All right, so anyway, like I said, it is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Here's here's the basics of what's going on, but I want to talk about something else. Right now, stock futures are higher across the board. Crude oil is catching a bid. Cryptocurrencies are higher. Gold is a little higher. Silver's slightly lower. Okay. The 10-year yield is creeping up. It is 0.75. All well and good with regard to this market. But what I want you to realize, and I've covered this, but we're seeing it on an incredible scale here. Global debt is literally, it's exploding. It's absolutely exploding. The Federal Reserve's balance sheet that we know of, that they allow us to see, again, there are two balance sheets. Every bank has them. Every corporation has two balance sheets. I covered this recently. Is off the freaking Richter scale, and you can expect it to get much worse. So, just to put a perspective on this right off the bat, if we know that global debt is exploding, why is it exploding? Let's go back to that real quick. Because they are so desperate to keep two things happening. Number one, to keep the debt bubble inflated, it must continue to be fed. If they don't continue to feed it, the debt bubble bursts and we turn into Mad Max in the blink of an eye. All of this goes away and quickly. Number two, they are trying to prevent a credit freeze, a lockup of the entire system. This is the real reason behind this explosion in debt. And they can't keep it going indefinitely. Again, the grand plan is, again, to issue in a global single currency. That's why the Fed is flooding the world with dollars, dollarizing the entire world at this time. That's what this is all about. This whole engineered lockdown, economic coma, whatever we're in right now, this is deliberate, not because of the coronavirus. The coronavirus was dispersed by design. This was rehearsed, this was allowed to happen, and this is where we are right now. Period. The collapse in crude oil, the melting down of the markets has opened up a big, fat, ugly doorway for debt to explode, for central banks to issue in their final solution, be the lenders and the buyer of last resort, and this is exactly what they got. This is a multi-decade plan. It is working out perfectly for them. And they want to see what they can get away with. How long are people going to submit to being slaves in their own house, to have their rights taken away from them, their freedoms and their liberties? That's really what this is all about. And the explosion of debt that's happening is going to get much worse, much, much worse. So again, what does this mean? Bet against this debt bubble like you can't believe, and become your own central bank. Like I've always said, this will never change. So hold gold, hold silver, buy more of it. Cryptocurrencies, absolutely. This is where you need to be as they completely hyper super inflate the debt. You understand? This is all by design. None of this is by accident. It's all happening and going exactly to plan. Not only that, this has allowed a new philosophy here, some kind of a twisted modern monetary theory event to occur here in the United States, and a national socialism. That's what we have. This is it, America. Oh, President Trump, we're never going to be socialist. We have gone so beyond socialist at this point. We've gone to, it's fascism, number one, the merger of corporations and a government. So wake up, people, okay? Wake up. And for you Q patriots out here, I'm still waiting for you to come over to the right side here, because all you're doing is sitting back and sucking your thumbs, doing nothing like the babies you are, because you can't see what's right in front of your face. It's incredible, Q patriots. Like I said, it's an oxymoron. You know, like a giant shrimp. Yeah, it's an oxymoron. It totally is retarded. Anyway, With that said, that's where we're at. A lot of effort to prop this market up. $1.8 trillion has already been thrown at Wall Street. No vote needed. You know that. But they have to vote, again, on a rescue package for the American people and American businesses. See how it works here? Do you see how this works here? Cue patriots, okay? Cue patriots? I'm making fun of you because you're all a joke, okay? Patriots. I could crack up all day just on that one thing. It's insane. But anyway, look, you all know where it's at. Those of you that follow my blog are so tuned into this. Anyway, just real quick, I don't know how many of you got a chance to see the newest article of the Trends Journal from Gerald Celente. I have another featured article there, which will be of high importance to all of you lions out here and traders. The rest of the journal is fantastic. Anyway, I'm really proud to be part of the Trends Journal at this point. All right, with that said, I'm going to let you all go. Let's see how this plays out. And again, Q Patriots, come over to the right side. Open your eyeballs. Use your God-given intellect gift to see what's going on before your eyes and take action. Stop sucking your thumbs. Seriously. I'm out of here. Love you all a lot. See you later.